In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jira timeline with our full 2025 guide. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to refine your project management skills, understanding how to effectively use the timeline feature can greatly enhance your workflow. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Jira project. This is where the magic begins. You'll find yourself in familiar territory if you've already been managing tasks or projects within Jira. Once you're in your project, locate the timeline option in the top navigation bar. By clicking on this, you're stepping into a visual representation of your project plan, allowing for a clearer view of your tasks over time. Now let's create an epic. On your timeline, click on the plus create epic button. Think of an epic as a high-level task or overarching project milestone that you want to track more broadly. Once you've clicked it, give your epic a name, something that clearly reflects the goal or objective you're aiming for, and press enter to save it. With your epic in place, click on it to open the details view. Here we can start segmenting our project into smaller, more manageable chunks. Under the epic's name, you'll see an add option. By selecting child issue, you're essentially breaking down the epic into smaller tasks, much like stepping stones leading you to your ultimate goal. When adding a child issue, start by selecting the type of issue you're dealing with. Jira offers a range of options suited for different types of tasks or problems, so pick the one that best fits your needs. Once you have your issue type figured out, enter the specifics of what needs to be done and press create to add it under your epic. If the task you're looking to add already exists elsewhere, you have the option to choose existing issue. This is especially useful for recurring tasks or ongoing work streams that already have a fair amount of detail in them. Simply select the issue you want to incorporate and click add. After organizing your epic with its child issues, you can close the epic details view to return to the broader timeline perspective. Now focus your attention on managing the timing of your issues. Hover your mouse over the right side of any issue, right under the month column. A start date and end date will appear. By clicking on these dates, you set them right on the timeline. Once set, you can refine your timeline further by adjusting these dates. Simply drag the edges to change the duration of the task or its timing within the project timeline. This flexibility lets you adapt to real-time changes in your project schedule, helping you keep everything on track smoothly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully used the Jira timeline to its full potential, enhancing your project management efficiency. Remember, like any tool, proficiency comes with practice, so don't hesitate to explore its features further. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.